Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre this Saturday. It's a clear but windy start to the day along the west coast of South Africa, while a weak cold front brings some morning rain and cloud cover to the Southern Cape coastline. As the cold front moves east, the rain will spread to the Eastern Cape and KZN tonight. Meanwhile, it's going to be a very dry and very hot afternoon over the northern parts of the Northern Cape and the northwest as well. Mostly cloudy conditions this morning over the northeastern interior with afternoon thunderstorms, especially likely in Limpopo and in Mpumalanga. A lower risk of storms today in Gauteng. There's a 60% chance of rain tonight over the eastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, a 40% chance of light rain along the southeast coast, and rain starting to clear from the west in the Western Cape. We're expecting a cooler day in the south, up to 26 degrees in Graafrenet, 23 in Sutherland this afternoon. It's going to be warmer though in Vredendal with a high of 28, Cape Town warming to 22 degrees in East London and Bishu as well, and much warmer in Richards Bay with a high of 28. Temperatures exceeding 30 degrees over the northern parts of Gauteng, Pretoria at 32 degrees, 27 in Bombela, and a very hot afternoon in Mahikeng at 34. Let's take a look at the coastal forecast. Strong southerly to southeasterlies along the west coast this afternoon with an open ocean swell of 2 meters. Although tide is expected just before 2 o'clock this afternoon. For the southwest coast for a change, we're expecting stronger winds in Table Bay than in False Bay. There's a 30 km/h southeasterly breeze in False Bay this afternoon. Moderate southwesterlies for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas with an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. An onshore circulation along the south coast, that's where we're expecting the morning rainfall. Southwesterlies up to 35 km/h in Port Elizabeth with an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. For the east coast, quite a bit of change in the forecast for today. This morning starts off clear, thereafter some light rain moves in. Southeasterlies up to 25 km/h along the Wild Coast. Northeasterlies initially in Richards Bay with the southeasterly swell up to 1.5 meters.
News that moves. ENCA.com.